3 decades, over 10,000 roofs, one unwavering commitment to excellence. When the Williamsburg sky opens up, will your roof hold strong? At Woodall Roofing, we've been answering that question with confidence since 1989. What truly separates us from every other roofer Williamsburg VA has to offer? It's simple. We treat your home like our own. That's why Robert Woodall himself inspects every project, ensuring the same quality he'd demand for his family. From the historic streets of College Landing Park to the modern homes of Druid Hills, our family-owned team delivers premium craftsmanship that stands the test of time. Emergency repairs, routine maintenance, or complete replacements, we handle everything with the precision that only comes from decades of experience. Don't just take our word for it. Our A+ BBB rating and thousands of satisfied customers throughout Williamsburg tell the real story. Your roof isn't just a part of your home, it's the shield that protects everything beneath it. Shouldn't you trust it to Williamsburg's most experienced roofing family? Call Woodall Roofing today, because when it comes to protecting what matters most, experience isn't just valuable, it's essential.